Pacific languages, first. Tonga Oceania AI writes a full sermon in Tongan, then one click carries it into a PowerPoint. Speeches, letters, chat, and games, all generated in Tongan, for Tongan. Try Tonga Oceania AI free today. Pacific languages are rarely built into mainstream AI. Tonga and Oceania AI puts Tongan first, a companion that reads, writes, and speaks in the language people use at home, at church, and in business. Ask for a sermon and it writes the whole thing in Tongan, a title, scripture references, main points, and a closing prayer, built for the audience and the church you choose, from Seventh-day Adventist to general Christian congregations. One click carries that sermon into a presentation. The AI structures it into slides, adds Tongan speaker notes, and a professional PowerPoint downloads straight from the browser, ready to project without retyping a line. The same engine writes speeches, from weddings to business gatherings. Ask how AI helps economic development, and it returns a structured Tongan address, timed to the minutes you set, ready to read or deliver aloud. Letter writing gets the same care. Complaints, resignations, thank you notes, church letters, job applications, each one drafted in Tongan, ready to send, so formal writing never starts from a blank page. Behind every tool sits a conversation. Talanoa takes a question in Tongan and gives a Tongan answer, translating and explaining in the language people actually speak, not routed through English first. Even learning stays playful. Viainga Fakatonga builds a fresh Tongan crossword on demand, with hints and difficulty levels, language practice that feels like a game, not a lesson. Sermons, speeches, letters, conversation, and play, one companion, built for Tongan and the wider Pacific. Try it free at tongai.tongamarket.com.